How to log in to Targo Bank online banking account. Now you should be able to do this in their official website. If you want to do that, go ahead to any preferred browser and search for Targo Bank. Then you can log in from there. But if you can download the app, then it is better in some ways. So it would be more safe. So just go ahead to your Play Store or your App Store and then just go ahead and search for the Targo Bank. Once you've searched for it, go ahead and install that, of course, and just open up the app itself. Once you're there, just go ahead and proceed with pretty much everything else. And then once you finish with that, you will be able to log in. So put in your name over here in the top, of course, and then your password for the account that you have. Then you should be able to continue and log in directly to your Targo Bank. So if you did forget your password, there's an option here in the bottom that you can press that can get you either a new password or that can recover your password. Just go ahead and follow the procedure that they will give you. So that is how you log in to your Targo Bank. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.